Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with Team William on India. Today, November 12th, 2024. And please go through the disclaimer. Okay, let's begin with this session. So if you look at Nifty 50 setup, you know, last week there was some good momentum on for a couple of days, but I think we missed to capitalize on that. So after 2 days of gain, right, on Friday there was a fall, and again yesterday it was a very volatile and choppy session. But the good part was that it was not going majorly down. Okay, ऐसा नहीं था कि 24 तोड़ के नीचे चला गया. The way the trend is in market for the sharp falls, it was not happening. Though the volume was higher, almost average volume yesterday, the volatility was also high, but at least a certain level hold कर गया था कल निफ्टी. So now I think 24,050, 24 and 24,050 ये वाला जो zone है, that becomes very important to hold. उसके ऊपर अगर हम hold करके यहाँ से ऊपर जाते हैं, ठीक है, ब्रॉडली व्हेन कैश मार्केट में 24,200 के ऊपर अगर हम होल्ड करते हैं, देन वी माइट सी सम मोमेंटम टिल एटलीस्ट 350 400 21 डी में तक हम ये वीक में टच करने का ट्राई कर सकते हैं. So the week ends on Thursday this time. So Friday the market holiday is there. So we might try to touch around 21 DMA like we did last week. Okay, but I think lower side में ये 24,000 24,050 वाला जोन होल्ड करना इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है. If you see, if you news, a lot of results came out yesterday, a lot of results today. So like Honda, Motherson Sumi, Motherson International, Zydus Lifestyle, BSE, Nykaa, CESC, and lot many others. I think hundreds of companies are reporting today. So yesterday, a few results like Ramco, the Q2 was a beat. Revenue was up, revenue was down 12.5%. So बहुत खराब रिजल्ट का एक्सपेक्टेशन था. वो सिचुएशन में थोड़ा एक डिसेंट रिजल्ट पेश किया इन लोगों ने. बाकी एबिटा भी डाउन है, मार्जिन भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हुआ है. हिंडाल्को गुड नंबर्स, मार्जिन एक्सपैंडेड 4% YOY, पैट इंक्रीज्ड ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन डबल हो गया है, राइट. And revenue growth was around 7.7% to more than 22,000 crore. ONGC, some excellent result. Margin expanded 2.2% YOY. Okay, PAT increased and revenue was down 4%. Triveni Turbine, so now in mid-cap segment, this has reported good number. Margin expansion of 3%. PAT increased to 91 crore versus 64 crore in a year ago period. Revenue grew 29% YOY to 501 crore. NMDC Q2 margin contracted, PAT increased while the revenue grew 22%. Hind Copper, same, Q2 margins contracted around 2.5%, PAT increased while revenue grew 36%. Global market cues are positive. So Dow was up 0.7%, S&P Nasdaq flat. In the Asian market, Nikkei is up 0.5%, while Shanghai and Kospi are down 0.5 to 1%. If you look at SGX Nifty or GIFT Nifty, it indicates a positive opening. So 254 के अराउंड फ्यूचर्स लेवल ट्रेड कर रहा है. अगर कल का फ्यूचर का क्लोजिंग देखो तो 26 के अराउंड, तो एटलीस्ट 20-30 पॉइंट्स ऑफ हायर ओपनिंग. और कल अगर कैश सेगमेंट में देखो तो 141 पे हम बंद हुए थे, 24 144. तो अभी 24 70 80 के अराउंड ओपनिंग का एक्सपेक्टेशन है. तो अगर वहां से हम 200 के ऊपर चले गए एंड वो होल्ड कर दिया, देन आई थिंक वी माइट have some good momentum in today's session. Now, stock of the day, ICICI Bank looks interesting. Again, forming a cup with handle base, right? You can see over here, it has supported 100 DMA, handle bhi bana liya. So it is 5% to pivot. So it's a decent cup with handle formation with RS at new high recently. Fund holding higher base पे increase हुआ है, ROE 17% है, and the recent quarter results have been very good. So private bank mein, one of the top result, ICICI Bank is able to deliver the larger private banks mein, right? And if you see in the handle formation over here, so there is one interesting thing. See, sometime if you are aggressive investor or aggressive trader, then maybe you can go for an aggressive entry as well. So here there is a trend line in the cup with handle formation as well. Okay, so that's what we have observed in ICICI Bank. So yeah, there is a trend line as well. So once it moves above this trend line, I think it might hit pivot, and above pivot, there can be a good momentum in ICICI Bank. The way Bank Nifty is also setting, I think if it crosses, you know, some 52,500, 600 levels. So then I think we might see some good momentum in Bank Nifty as well. And ICICI Bank can be one of the leader in that rally, looking at the setup. So that's it for today's session. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8:45 a.m.